Hello everyone. So I have this Volkswagen 2001 Beetle that has engine coolant leak, exhaust leak, and also it has this hose is broken and has like a small little patch on it. That's another one here for the secondary air pump. So we need to replace this. And also radiator is leaking on this one. Let's see. We have a valve cover gasket leaking. Sorry about that. So valve cover gasket is leaking oil and it is collecting down here. And it's just, I think someone used a silicone on this guy before. I'm going to try to fix that. Also leaking a coolant from the right here, the heater core return line. Alright, so I'm just going to start taking things apart. As you can see, the coolant's been collecting at the bottom right there, and it's been dropping onto the floor. So it also has a broken axle CV boot. We're going to need to repair that too. So I will make some videos step by step on a few things here as soon as I get some approval on repairs. Thank you for watching. See you soon. I have the car running here and I can see it's leaking oil right there. That's from the valve cover gasket. And then I see leaking coolant from this housing. From this housing right here. And also leaking coolant from that right here. As you can see, that's a heater core. Right, the heater core return line is leaking coolant, so we need to replace this fitting, which is right here. I think we can get a fitting only. I only have the car running for a few minutes and all the water we added is already leaking out. And as I mentioned before, there is no return, so definitely water pump and thermostat housing would have to be replaced. Here's a culprit of an exhaust leak. That gasket's completely gone and one of the stud is broken. So obviously we're going to need to take the turbo out and re-stud everything. Here is a PCV valve hose that's broken. We also have a lot of noise coming from there, and that is another reason for check engine light.